Hello students, I am Abhishek Jaiswal. So today I am going to teach you a number series. So I am going to teach you some tips and tricks so that you can solve these number series questions very easily in your exam. It is a non-technical topic. I know I guess you guys like. I hope you guys are familiar with this non-technical topic. So let's start. So this is the set one question. So we are going to do questions in some order. So set one, and set two, and set three, and so on. So we will do like that. So I'm going to this is the first set order. See, set one is if a number are in ascending order in the number series. See, just look at this one. See, if a numbers are in ascending order in the number series, numbers may be added or multiplied by certain numbers from the first number. Okay, so if the numbers are in ascending order in the number series, the number may be added or multiplied by a certain numbers in the first from the first number. See, this is the example of set one. See, this is the number series. Okay, this is the number series. First number is 19, 23, 26, 30, 33. See, what it is written? It is written number may be added or multiplied by a certain numbers from the first number. See, this is the first number, correct? This is the first number. So what we will do, if we multiply or add something in the first number, it will give us a second number. See, uh, this is the 19. So what we have to add in this number, it will become 23. We have to add plus 4. Again, see what we have to add in this 23 number so that it become 26 plus 3. See, now see like this. What you have to add in this 26, so it become 30 plus 4. So see, it's forming a pattern. See, it's forming a pattern. What pattern? Plus 4, then plus 3, then plus 4, then plus 3, then plus 4. So what you have to do, just at the end of this question, after 33, what you have to add? You have to add plus 4, so it will become 37. So this it will become 37. This is easy questions, as you guys like you can see also. It's very easy kind of questions. You just have to just what you have to just observe some pattern like this here. See, what check whether it is ascending or descending or mixed order. You have to just check. You have to just look at questions and you have to just check if it is ascending order. So add or multiply by certain numbers from the first number. You have to look what you have to do. It's addition. You have to do some addition so that you can get second number. You have to do just some multiplication, division, or whatever, or subtraction, whatever you have to do. Just you have to do, and you have to get second number. The difference between first number and the second number, and the difference between second and third number, are so on, are in ascending order of plus 4 plus 3, as we have earlier seen. See, plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. See, order of plus 4 and plus 3. Hence answer is 37. This is the what steps written for the first example. Example 1. Okay, example 1. This is a step written for the first example. Now see. This is example 2. This is example 2 of set 1. So this, look what it is written: 1, 3, 12, 16. Okay. So what you have to observe? You have to observe what number it is going to be add. So it's going to be add. It's going to be multiply with the 3. Now see, into 4, into 5. So it is in ascending order. 3, then 4, then 5. Now it will be 6. So it should be 360. Okay. See, this is a step written. Check whether it is ascending, descending, or mixed order. You have checked that it is ascending order. So add or multiply by certain number from the first number. Okay. We have what we did. We just check it's ascending order, descending order. Okay. Then what we do? We just multiplied with the some number so that we can get this number. See, what you can observe one thing also. It is increasing kind of like exponentially. You can not you can say that exponentially. It is drastically, it is increasing. So you just have to multiply something. Correct? You have to just multiply something so that you can get that number. Now see. by adding first number and second number, third number, so it is on non-sequence increasing order. Try multiplication. So what we did, we just multiplied, we did everything, but we were not seeing any pattern. So what we did, we just multiplied with some number so that we can get some kind of a sequence. See, take 1, 3. Let's start multiplying 1 to 3 by seeing, it's multiplying 3 and 4. It gives 12, and again 12 into 5, it gives 60. So that was the pattern. We found a pattern. 3, 4, 5. First we have to multiply with 3. Second we have to multiply with 4, then 5, and so on, so on. Okay. And then at the last we get answer as a 360. This is what we have to do. This is some kind of a like I already told you. This is the easy number series, very easy. So you just have to see some patterns. If you observe that pattern carefully, you can get the solutions very easily. See, this is the second set of problem. What second set is saying? We'll see. If the numbers are in descending order, if the in the number series, okay, we have seen in the set 1, it will be in set 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. It was in increasing order. Now we will see in decreasing order. See, numbers may be subtracted or divided by certain number from the first number. Okay, see, if the number is increasing order, okay, see, if the number is in increasing order, okay, it's increasing order, then what we have to do? Either we have to multiply or we have to do addition, correct? If number is in descending order, then what we have to, either we have to subtract or we have to divide with certain number. Okay, just see carefully. Okay, now see, see, this number is in descending order, 34, 80, 10, 6, 4. What we have to do, either we have to multiply, either we have to divide with something, or we have to subtract with something, with this first number. So what, see, this number, if we will subtract these two numbers, 34 minus 18, what we will get? We will get 16, correct? So we will get 16. Okay, so we have to do from second number to first number. So we have to do from second number to first number. So we will get minus 16 in the for the first time. We will get minus 16. See, if we will subtract these two numbers, minus 8, correct? Minus 8. These two numbers, minus 4. These two numbers, minus 2. Again, see, we are observing our pattern. Minus 16, then minus 8, then minus 4, then minus 2. Half of this number, correct? Half of this number, half of this number is the next number, half of this number is the next number, half of this number is the next number. This number is minus 1, correct? This number is going to be minus 1. So if this number is going to be minus 1, then see, minus 4 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we will get 3, correct? Here we will get 3. This also is the equation. Just you have to see a pattern. These are the steps. Okay, so these are the steps it is written. Find whether the given number is in descending order. Yeah, it is number is in descending order. Now again, it is in descending order. So subtract or divide by certain numbers from the first number. So we have subtracted this number from this here. So we got first minus 16, again minus 8, again minus 4, again minus 2, again minus 1. See, the difference between first numbers and second numbers are difference between second and third, and so on. So this is what we got in the previous slide. Now see what is the change. Hence the answer is, our series is the third. Yeah, as we have already seen, the answer for the this series is 3. Okay. So this is set 2 example. 720, 120, 24, 6, 2, minus 1. See, we will see what pattern we are going to follow. See, 720. Okay, so see, this change is going to drastically. So we can observe that this is of course this is a division. So if we will divide, it will become 6. Again 120 divided by 24, it will become 5. Again 24 divided by 6, it will become 4. See, first 5, then 4, first 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So will come. So 2 divided by 2, it will come as 1. So this is what we have to find. I think they misprint this value. So this is what they will give us still here. This is what we have to find. Is correct? These are very easy. Just we have to follow some pattern. That's it. See, check whether it is descending or mixed order. So we have checked it is a descending order. It is in descending order. So subtract or divide by certain numbers from the first number. So we have seen like the change was drastically. So what we did, we just divided first number by second number. By dividing first number by 6, we get 120. See, divided 120 by 5, 24, 24 by 4, 6, 6 by 3, 2, 2 by 2, 1. It is increasing order. So the answer for the above series is 1. Okay, so this was the